look at my hands. And I made a huge mess.
Do you see this mess?
So now we gotta clean it up. Okay guys, so as you know, today we're doing a self-care vlog, which basically means that it's literally as any other like day in my life, spend the day with me type of vlogs. But I decided that today I want to do a little bit more things for myself. I really want to do my nails because they are looking crusty, dusty, busty. And I also wanted to do a hair mask, but I think I won't have time to do that actually because in the evening we're leaving for our cottage house with my boyfriend. And so yeah, I need to get ready and you know, that takes a lot of hours. So I'm probably not gonna do that. However, we gotta do something with my hair because they look crusty, dusty, busty as well. And I also want to clean my room because basically like taking care of myself means also taking care of the environment that I live in every day, which my room is. So when my room isn't clean, I don't feel clean. I'm probably gonna start with that honestly because that just messes me up. And yeah.
Yeah, whatever, if I back the fuck up, I'll feel better. For a long while, I pretended I was all smiles, sitting there bitter. Yeah, whatever, if I back the fuck up, I'll feel better. For a long while, I pretended I was all smiles, sitting there bitter.
Okay guys, so most of the cleaning is done. I also just now realized that this is more of a cleaning vlog than a self-care vlog. Anyways, I gotta post the Paris vlog, which is gonna be up by the time that this video is going to be posted. So if you haven't watched it, this is the link for it. I basically went to Paris for 5 days with my boyfriend and it was such a romantic trip. I loved it. But yeah. I just realized we have some cake. Oh my god, it's like chocolate cake with bananas and then some cream. It's so good. So good. Oh my god. I'm running out of time a little bit because we are leaving for our cottage house in like 3 hours and I have still a lot of stuff to do. Like I have to pack, then I have to prepare the package that I need to send off. I also need to go get the laundry out and I need to post an Instagram picture, so honestly let me just do that now. I'm also on my period and it's just so annoying, but we gotta power through. It's okay. Anyways, like I'm posting, this is what I'm posting, okay? It's literally a selfie. I look really cute though. Writing captions is one thing, but when you post like a cute picture of yourself where you're showing off how pretty you are and you know, like it's visible, it's just so awkward to write captions because like why, what should I don't know. Should I just post an emoji? Wait, I know a girl on TikTok that like does caption recommendations, but like oh my god, I found her.
With another non-cringy-ish Instagram captions this time. Yes. Short and cute edition because nobody likes
I put glowing and growing, okay? Freaking cheesy, I know, but like nothing fits with my pictures. So I'm gonna put this, the damage is done. Nail time!
Last night I dreamt we did our laundry together, and we were singing the same song while we folded our clothes. As
I didn't realize how hard it is to film like doing your nails because you literally cannot move the camera, you cannot touch anything. So yeah, just bear with me guys. I'm just gonna put on the last coat, then I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna catch up with you.
it never happened, 'cause it never happened, 'cause it never happened, 'cause it never happened.
Guys, what? My skin is burning red. I've been googling what's going on, and basically when you apply salicylic acid, which is the mask that I applied, in a bigger dosage than your skin is used to, which like I never use salicylic acid, so this was like my first time, it disrupts your skin's barrier, creating microscopic cracks that cause skin to lose moisture and become irritated and inflamed. Redness and darkening can last for 4 to 7 days. What have I done? Okay, they're saying that I should just use something very moisturizing after to like soothe it down. So I think I'm gonna use my hyaluronic acid serum. Guys, I don't know, like I'm not a pro in skincare. This is so cold, this is so nice. Like my whole skin is burning. But this feels really good. Okay, I'm gonna put my moisturizer on too, just in case. Okay, this is the most I can do for now, I think. If you have any tips on how to like get used to salicylic acid, let me know in the comments because as you can see, I need it. But yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video right here because my boyfriend's gonna be here in like 30 minutes and then we're gonna go to the cottage house. I'm just basically gonna spend the last 30 minutes finishing up on other videos and creating thumbnails, so nothing too interesting to, you know, keep you here. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It makes my day so much better. If you've watched till this point of the video, make sure to comment the little white heart emoji. Make sure to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and that is it guys. I hope you will have the most beautiful day ever because you deserve nothing less. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!